What is honey? Honey is a sweet, viscous food substance made by bees and other insects. Bees produce honey from the sugary secretions of plants, floral nectar, or from secretions of other insects, such as honeydew, by regurgitation, enzymatic activity, and water evaporation. Bees store honey in wax structures called honeycombs. The variety of honey produced by honeybees, the genus Apis, is the best known, due to its worldwide commercial production and human consumption. Honey is collected from wild bee colonies or from domesticated beehives. How is honey produced? Honey is produced by bees from the nectar of flowers. When a bee collects nectar, it mixes the nectar with enzymes in its saliva, which breaks down the complex sugars in the nectar into simpler sugars. The bee then stores the nectar in its honey stomach, or crop, and carries it back to the hive. Once back at the hive, the bee regurgitates the nectar into the cells of the honeycomb. Other bees in the hive then fan the nectar with their wings to help evaporate some of the water from it, which increases its sugar concentration. When the water content of the nectar has been reduced to around 18%, the bees seal the cell with a wax cap to prevent further evaporation. The nectar is now honey. How many types of honey are there? There are many different types of honey, with the exact number depending on how you define type. Honey can vary in color, flavor, and aroma depending on the types of flowers the bees visit to collect nectar. Here are a few factors that can influence the characteristics of honey. Floral source. Different types of flowers produce nectar with different sugar compositions, which can affect the flavor and color of the resulting honey. For example, clover honey is light in color and has a mild, sweet flavor, while buckwheat honey is dark and has a strong, robust flavor. Geographical location. The types of flowers that are available to bees can vary depending on the climate and geography of the area where they live. This can influence the types of honey that are produced. Beekeeping practices. The way that beekeepers manage their hives can also affect the characteristics of the honey produced. For example, some beekeepers may feed their bees a mixture of sugar and water to supplement their natural food sources, which can influence the flavor and nutritional content of the honey. Here are a few examples of different types of honey that vary based on their floral source. Clover honey. This is a light-colored honey with a mild, sweet flavor. It is made from the nectar of clover flowers. Orange blossom honey. This honey is light in color and has a delicate, citrusy flavor. It is made from the nectar of orange blossom flowers. Lavender honey. This honey is light in color and has a floral, fragrant flavor. It is made from the nectar of lavender flowers. Eucalyptus honey. This honey is usually light to medium in color and has a strong, distinctive flavor. It is made from the nectar of eucalyptus flowers. Buckwheat honey. This honey is dark in color and has a strong, robust flavor. It is made from the nectar of buckwheat flowers. Acacia honey. This honey is very light in color and has a delicate, mild flavor. It is made from the nectar of acacia flowers. Tupelo honey. This honey is light to medium in color and has a mild, sweet flavor. It is made from the nectar of tupelo tree flowers. What does honey contain? What properties does it have? Honey is a complex mixture of sugars, water, and a variety of other compounds, including vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. The exact composition of honey can vary depending on the types of flowers the bees visited to collect nectar, as well as other factors such as geographic location and beekeeping practices. Here are some of the main components of honey. Sugars. Honey is composed primarily of fructose and glucose, which are simple sugars that are easily absorbed by the body. It also contains small amounts of other sugars, such as maltose and sucrose. Water. Honey contains about 18% water, which helps to give it its viscous consistency. Enzymes. Bees add enzymes to the nectar they collect to help break down complex sugars into simpler sugars. These enzymes are responsible for the production of some of the other compounds found in honey. Vitamins and minerals. Honey contains small amounts of a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Amino acids. Honey contains a number of amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. Antioxidants. Honey contains a number of antioxidants, which are substances that can help to protect the body from the damaging effects of free radicals. What other bee products are there? In addition to honey, bees produce a number of other products that are used by humans. Here are a few examples. Beeswax. Bees produce beeswax as a construction material for the hive. It is used by bees to build the comb that they use to store honey, pollen, and their young. Beeswax is also used by humans in a variety of products including candles, cosmetics, and wood polish. Pollen. Bees collect pollen from flowers as a source of protein for their young. Pollen is also used by humans as a dietary supplement, and is believed to have a number of health benefits. Propolis. Propolis is a sticky, resinous substance that bees collect from plants and use to seal cracks and gaps in the hive. It is believed to have antimicrobial properties and is used by humans as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. Royal jelly. Royal jelly is a milky substance that is produced by worker bees and fed to the queen bee. It is rich in nutrients and is believed to have a number of health benefits when consumed by humans. Venom. Bee venom is produced by bees as a defense mechanism, and is used to sting predators. Bee venom is also used by humans as a treatment for a variety of ailments, including allergies and rheumatoid arthritis. These are just a few examples of the products that bees produce. Bees are also important pollinators, as they help to fertilize flowers and other plants as collect nectar and pollen. This is essential for the reproduction of many plant species and is vital for the health of ecosystems around the world.